Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video I'm making a hardwood outdoor bench. This wood is bankirai and it is a tropical hardwood. Here in the Netherlands it's commonly used for decking and other outdoor applications. These boards originally were a deck, so they were quite dirty. This hardwood is quite expensive and very durable, but not so environmentally friendly as new wood because it's a tropical hardwood. So when this wood is used, I try to make the most of it. First I'm sawing a few of the boards in half to later glue them together for the legs. The glue is construction glue because it's an outdoor application. This wood can be a bit oily, so the glue is not as good as other types of wood. And I glued the ripped fur surface together so there's even less gluing area. Oh, and if you like this video, hit the thumbs up and consider subscribing. Let's go back into the design. The leg construction is very similar to the other outdoor bench I made this year, and I used that design and designed the boards on top of that as seating and backrest. The boards will be cut in a diagonal line and then separated. This way you can cover more seating area with less material. So next I'm preparing the seating. As a nice touch, I cut the ends at a 20-degree bevel. This also gave a better finish than the old rough ends. The deck was 10 to 20 years old, but the internal wood still looked very good. This shows this is how durable the wood still is. And now to cut the diagonal line of the seating area. With a simple chalk line, the layout is made, and then with a circular saw I made that cut. The result is straight enough for now, but if it needs to be perfect, a track saw would be better. So that was a very dusty job. Be smarter than me and use a respirator. Now I could work on the legs. First off, I cleaned off glue squeeze out and then made measurements and started cutting. A miter saw makes a quick job out of it. Then the legs are assembled. It is glued and screwed together. The screws got quite some clamp force on this hardwood, more than a softwood would, and it's quite sturdy considering the glue joint. I didn't catch on camera that I drove in bolts in the end of the legs. This elevates the wood from the ground. This is a little clip from the previous outdoor bench. And now the assembly. I set out the legs and checked the distance between them. Then with a square I could check how perpendicular they were. At that point I could drive in the first board to secure it. I used coated decking screws. After that I could check the spacing and then put in the remaining screws. Then all the sharp edges were sanded and it's done. I'm very happy how it looks. sits and feels. And thanks for watching.